I'm super excited to be a part of this research trip to Curaçao, where we'll be studying the endangered green sea turtle in its natural environment.
I just think it's going to be so cool to just have a hands-on experience working with animals in a scientific way.
I'm excited to see a new environment and to be exposed to a new culture.
I'm excited for this trip because I've never been to the Caribbean and I've never seen a turtle up close in person before.
And I'm most excited about learning the different ways of data collection, how to tag the turtles, and how we'll be conducting research in general once we get to Curaçao.
So I'm still in the process of packing, but so far I definitely have my essentials. I have my water shoes, my hat, and my sunblock to keep us safe.
I got my water shoes to go work in the ocean. I'm bringing a little notebook just in case, you know.
And then of course, I got my bright blue Jefferson swim shirt, all ready to go.
Hi! Boarding the flight!
We are going to do a netting session where we're hoping to catch some turtles so we can tag them, and then we can collect some samples that eventually will ship to the United States for processing.
Feeling pretty excited.
And how do you release the turtle?
Grab it like this.
Yeah.
Go in the water, and it's gonna breathe, and then as soon as it breathes, you gently make it horizontal and let it go.
It does have one of the metal tags on one of its front flippers here.
Wonderful. And what's the tag mean?
The tag means it's been caught before.
We had 5 research sites and we were collecting seagrasses from these areas. Seagrasses are a food item for green sea turtles.
This is a hawksbill turtle.
And how many so far in the nest?
I think I will go 67.
How many do you expect?
64 right now. 64 alive. We have now 74 hawksbill turtles that are alive, as you can see in the bucket. There you go. Oh, hold on. Live from the action, we get 75 alive, still one that we're gonna put now on the trail to get. Hold on. One more, everyone. 76.
I've been an educator at Thomas Jefferson University for 27 years. In the last 5 days, our students have grown immensely in their exposure to the opportunities of conservation and also theory.
Hi Jefferson. We'd love to thank Dr. Ashley and Dr. Tripepi for going on this trip with us. We've learned so much in the classroom, and finally being able to apply it to the real world is the best feeling.
We've learned so much from this trip. Each experience has been unique, interesting, and has taught us so much about the environment and about green sea turtles as a population and what we can do to better their overall health and how we can improve their habitat and living situation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Everyone packed and ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye Karmavi.